Hello. Tonight, I'm having water for dinner. Um, I ate too many cookies, and I've been meaning to do a water fast for a while now. I just haven't made myself do it. And after eating all those cookies, I was like, oh boy, I need to reset my system here. So I actually had water for breakfast and lunch too. The longest water fast I've done is 3 days. So like 3 days and nights. I guess that would be like 72 hours, maybe 72 or 80. And I've done that twice. I am currently at the most difficult stage, which is when the hunger pangs start to set in. So I am really, really hungry right now. And I would love to eat something. But I'm not going to. I'm just going to have some water. Technically, I probably could have like some herbal tea, but I'll probably just stick with the water. Once you get past this phase where you're super hungry, it gets easier. Definitely don't want to be doing any strenuous physical activities if you're doing this kind of fast. And I've got about a week till I start my, I don't know what to call it, temporary job, seasonal job, low paying, not paying enough money job. So I'm going to I'm going to try to do a 3-day water fast because, like I've said before, I need to drop some fat. Now, the first time I did this kind of fast, I think I was pretty thin back then, and I feel like the effects were more noticeable. The second time I did the 3-day water fast, I feel like my weight did not budge like a pound. I might have dropped off a little bit because of, whatever water weight. But then it just I didn't really see any noticeable improvement for that. So honestly, I feel like if I could do 5 days, I probably should. But maybe I'll just try to start doing intermittent fasting. Because I think that can be beneficial as well. And that would probably help keep me on track. And hopefully this fast will kind of curb my sugar cravings. Regarding those cookies, the size that I made at first, which I thought were too big, were actually just right. Those were the only cookies that were kind of they had a little crunch, but then they were soft inside. Those smaller cookies were really hard. Super. I mean, I was kind of biting them off with my molars because they were just that hard. So yeah, if I make those cookies again, I will definitely do the larger size. I put what I had left in the freezer, and then I'll eat those someday, but hopefully it'll be a long time away. But yeah, so I might update this just depending on how the fast goes. Other than that, yeah, I guess that's about it. Wish me luck.